Hi, my name is Bryn Goldberg. I am in cohort 11 and I did a thesis for my final project. My thesis focused on staff trainings within residence halls on university campuses, specifically focusing on gender inclusive halls. Students who may not identify within the gender binary, such as individuals who go by they, them, theirs, or people within transitioning stages in their life, or just students who are interested in living with anybody regardless of their gender. But staff training is something that all departments have put their staff through, their RAs and the professional staff, and so that's why I focused on that. I also chose to focus on staff training because that is where a lot of the conflict is within residence halls. It's within the students and the residents, and the RAs are usually the first kind of form of contact that the students have with resolving their different types of conflicts. The few topics that I focused on were the importance of pronoun use, so explaining the different types of pronouns, so for example, they, them, theirs, and also the importance of using the correct pronouns and how this can alleviate a lot of uncomfortable situations in halls and also make students feel more welcome and accepted by the university and the staff. I also focused on the different types of conflicts that can arise, so roommate conflicts, so mediations, for example, and focusing on these types of halls, I talked about the different identities that roommates may have, so specifically like their gender identity and their sexual orientation. A lot of trainings go over those for RAs now, but they kind of talk about how they're very related. And while they are, there's also a lot of differences between them. Someone's gender identity does not automatically reflect their sexual orientation and vice versa. So really the importance that staff need to understand this and also be able to help communicate with residents about these different identities and how to make everyone feel welcome and accepted in the environment. And so I took my experiences and my knowledge that I gained in the CRES program, the skills within facilitation, mediation, and negotiation really came into play when I was writing my thesis, and the examples I gave for how universities and colleges can kind of move forward with implementing gender inclusive housing. My goal with doing a thesis is to eventually get my PhD. That is why I chose to do a thesis. It is also because I'm interested in working in university settings. So whether that's in residence life or in student services in some other capacity. And I know that the CRES program has helped me really build my skills and be able to move forward in my career path in student services.